Addition is so much fun. Let's begin. Good morning, children. Today we're going to have some fun with addition. Can anyone tell me what addition is?
Addition is putting two or more numbers together to find out how many there are altogether.
That's right, Shiva. Addition helps us combine numbers to find the total. Let's start with something simple. How about we add some apples? If I have 3 apples and you give me 2 more, how many apples will I have in total?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll have 5 apples.
Excellent counting, Minu. You're absolutely right. 3 apples plus 2 more apples equals 5 apples altogether. Now, let's try another one. If I have 4 pencils and my friend gives me 3 more pencils, how many pencils will I have?
Oh, I know this one. 4 plus 3 equals 7. You'll have 7 pencils.
That's correct. 4 pencils plus 3 more pencils gives us a total of 7 pencils. You're really getting the hang of addition, Shakthi. Now, let's see if you can solve this one. If there are 2 birds sitting on a tree branch and 1 more bird comes to join them, how many birds will there be in total?
Let me think. 2 plus 1 equals 3. There will be 3 birds.
Well done, you're absolutely right. 2 birds plus 1 more bird equals 3 birds in total. You're getting really good at addition.
Yay! Addition is so much fun.
It sure is, children. Keep practicing your addition skills, and you'll become a math whiz in no time. Hello, cutie pies. Do subscribe our channel Shakthi Budding Scholars to watch more such animated videos.